viewers all over the world, Mr. Chidiani Simon here again to take us on factorization. Factorization, this type of factorization is opening of brackets, because if you look very well, you will observe that each number outside is enclosed with another number in a bracket. So when you come across this type of problems, what you will do is very simple. All you need to do is to open up the brackets. So we now learn how to open brackets. In this case, we have this 3 is going to multiply the first and multiply the second. And that's going to be 3 times 2, I will have 6x. Now 3 times minus y, I will have minus 3y. And that's all. This one is very interesting and cheap. So let's look at the second one. This 5, they did not write it at the left hand side. They have to write it at the right hand side. So whichever place they place the number outside the bracket should not scare you. This is how they tend to confuse learners. But all you need to do or know is that as long as the number is written outside the bracket, it is going to multiply everything inside the bracket in that order. So this 5a is going to multiply 3a. So 5a times 3a, we are having 15a raised to power 2. That's a squared. Now 5a is going to multiply plus 8b, and we're having plus 40ab. It has to be arranged in alphabetical order. Since a comes before b, so it will be 40ab. Sign before number and then variable. That's the letters of the alphabet. And that's how simple that answer can be. Now let's look at number 3. Here we have minus 2n is going to multiply 7y, and we're having minus sign first. This is 14ny. I said n will come alphabetically, n comes before y. So now this is going to be minus 2n multiplying minus 4z. So minus and minus will make here to be positive, plus 2 times 4 will give us 8, and then nz. This is my answer, but I can write it because in my knowledge of odd maths, I was told that positive comes before negative. So this thing can be rewritten as 8nz minus 14ny. So this is the final and most accepted answer. But everything here is here. Even if you leave your answer this way, you are still absolutely correct. So do number 4 and tell me what you think the answer will be. Let's discuss it in the comment section. Thank you. Now let us look at these common factors. Looking at common factors of number 1, this is number 1, this is number 2. We have 9xy and 24p cubed. In this case, we need to know what is common in the first and in the second. So look at this, 9xy and 24p cubed. Remember, we have in our previous video done numbers that can divide a particular number. So looking at 9 and 14, I know that 3 can go because 2 cannot divide this. It did not end with 2 or 0. That is from the rules of divisibility in my previous video too. So here 3 can do that. 3 here I will have 3xy, and 3 here I will have 8p cubed. For the numbers, no other number can divide. Now I want to look at the letters of the alphabet. Is there anyone that is common found here and here at the same time? No. If no one is common, then my final answer is 3. It's 3 because 3 is common here and here. Now let's do the same thing for number 2. This is number 2. We have 30AD and 28AX. So I have to look at them, ask myself again, which number can divide 30 and 28 at the same time. I'm taking the number first. So I know 2 can do that because this one is even and here is 0. That is the rule for divisibility with 2. So now 2 here I have 15 AD, here I have 14 AX. For the numbers, no other number can divide. Now I have to check for the letters. I can see that A is common here and here. So A will do the work. Here I have 15D left and here I have 14X left. In 15D and 14X, I've seen that no other number or letter is common or can divide. Therefore, I have that my common factor between this and this is 2 times A, which is 2A as my answer. Thank you, as we'll discuss further in the next class.